Tesla Optimus is no longer just an idea from science fiction. It is quickly becoming a reality that could reshape the way humans live, work, and interact with technology. Imagine waking up in the morning and finding that everything you usually worry about has already been taken care of. Your room is clean, your clothes are neatly folded, your breakfast is ready, and your daily tasks are organized before you even step out of bed. This is the kind of future Tesla is building with its humanoid robot, Optimus. Designed to resemble the human form, Optimus is more than just a machine. It represents a new era where artificial intelligence and robotics combine to create something truly revolutionary. Unlike traditional robots that are limited to repetitive factory work, Optimus is being designed to handle everyday human tasks. And what makes it even more fascinating is its ability to learn and improve over time. At the core of Tesla, Optimus lies a powerful idea: teaching machines to learn like humans. Instead of programming every single movement and instruction manually, Tesla uses advanced artificial intelligence systems that allow the robot to observe, understand, and imitate human behavior. This approach, often referred to as imitation learning, allows Optimus to watch how humans perform tasks and then attempt to replicate them. For example, if a person picks up a cup, carries it across a room, and places it on a table, Optimus studies the entire sequence. It analyzes the grip, the motion, the balance, and the final placement. Initially, the robot may perform the task slowly or make mistakes, but with repeated attempts, it begins to improve. This process is remarkably similar to how humans learn new skills, especially during childhood. By removing the need for detailed programming, Tesla has opened the door for a robot that can adapt to a wide variety of situations. The current capabilities of Tesla Optimus may seem simple at first glance, but they represent significant progress in robotics. The robot can sort objects, which requires it to recognize different items and make decisions about where they belong. It can carry objects, demonstrating strength and coordination. It is also learning to use basic tools, which is a complex task requiring precise control and understanding of how objects interact. One of the most talked about abilities of Optimus is its progress in folding clothes. While this may not seem like a groundbreaking achievement, it is actually a very challenging task for a robot because it involves handling soft, flexible materials that change shape. Additionally, Optimus has made major improvements in walking and maintaining balance. Earlier versions struggled with stability, but newer versions move more smoothly and naturally, bringing them closer to human-like motion. What truly sets Tesla Optimus apart from other robots is the advanced artificial intelligence that powers it. Tesla leverages the same neural network technology used in its self-driving cars, which allows the robot to process large amounts of data and make decisions in real time. Every action Optimus performs generates data, and every mistake becomes a learning opportunity. This continuous feedback loop enables the robot to improve rapidly. One of the most exciting aspects of this system is the ability to share knowledge across multiple robots. If one Optimus learns how to perform a new task, that information can potentially be transferred to other robots, allowing them to learn instantly. This collective learning system could dramatically accelerate the development of robotic capabilities and bring us closer to a future where robots are highly skilled and versatile. The impact of robots like Optimus on the workforce could be enormous. Many jobs today involve repetitive, physically demanding, or dangerous tasks that humans perform out of necessity. These include factory work, warehouse operations, construction, cleaning, and delivery services. By taking over these tasks, robots could reduce the physical burden on humans and improve safety in hazardous environments. This shift could also increase efficiency and productivity, as robots can work continuously without fatigue. However, this transformation also raises important questions about employment and economic stability. If robots replace certain jobs, there will be a need to create new opportunities and rethink how society values work. Education systems may need to adapt, focusing more on creativity, problem solving, and skills that cannot easily be replicated by machines. Beyond the workplace, Tesla Optimus has the potential to transform daily life at home. Imagine having a robot that can cook meals, clean your house, do your laundry, and even assist with personal tasks. For elderly individuals, a robot like Optimus could provide support with daily activities, helping them maintain independence and improving their quality of life. For families, it could act as an extra pair of hands, making it easier to manage busy schedules. In the future, these robots could even assist with childcare or tutoring, providing educational support to children. The convenience offered by such technology is almost unimaginable, and it could free up time for people to focus on hobbies, relationships, and personal growth. Despite its potential, Tesla Optimus still faces several challenges. One of the main limitations is speed. While the robot can perform tasks, it is often slower than a human. Precision is another area that requires improvement, especially for tasks that involve delicate or complex movements. Understanding context and making decisions in unpredictable situations is also a challenge for artificial intelligence. Humans rely on intuition and experience to navigate complex scenarios, and replicating this level of understanding in a machine is not easy. Safety is another critical concern, as robots operating in human environments must be reliable and secure. Tesla is actively working on addressing these challenges, and advancements in AI and robotics are happening at a rapid pace. Another important aspect to consider is the ethical implications of humanoid robots. As machines become more capable, questions about their role in society become more significant. How should robots be treated? What responsibilities do companies have when developing such technology? How do we ensure that these systems are used for the benefit of humanity? These are complex questions that will require careful consideration as the technology evolves. Governments, organizations, and individuals will need to work together to create guidelines and regulations that ensure the safe and ethical use of robots. The future potential of Tesla Optimus is vast and exciting. Elon Musk has suggested that the Optimus project could eventually become more valuable than Tesla's car business, highlighting the scale of its impact. If successful, humanoid robots could become as common as smartphones or computers, integrated into nearly every aspect of daily life. They could revolutionize industries, improve quality of life, and open up new possibilities that we have yet to imagine. From healthcare to education, from construction to entertainment, the applications of this technology are virtually limitless. At the same time, the introduction of robots into everyday life will require a cultural shift. People will need to become comfortable with the idea of living and working alongside machines. Trust will play a crucial role in this transition, as individuals will need to feel confident that robots can perform tasks safely and effectively. Over time, as the technology proves itself and becomes more reliable, acceptance is likely to grow. Just as smartphones and the internet became essential parts of modern life, humanoid robots could follow a similar path. Tesla Optimus represents a major step forward in the field of robotics and artificial intelligence. It is a symbol of a future where machines are not just tools, but intelligent systems capable of learning, adapting, and contributing to society in meaningful ways. While there are still challenges to overcome, the rapid pace of development suggests that these obstacles will be addressed in time. The idea of having a robot that can perform everyday tasks may seem extraordinary today, but it could soon become a normal part of life. The question is not whether this future will arrive, but how quickly it will become a reality. As technology continues to evolve, one thing is certain. Tesla Optimus is just the beginning of a transformation that will change the world as we know it.